Welcome back guys, CryptoFly channel. Today we'd like to talk about IO USDT trading pair with my customer set after listing initiation accumulation pump model. Let's dive in. Finally guys, we got a drop, and finally we got a more or less normal listing when we got a not 1 or 2% unlocked tokens in circular supply. So we got a 95 million coins unlocked, confirmed by CoinMarketCap, and we got a not a billion market cap, so it's normal. Or of course a $500 million, around $500 million, it's not a low cap right after listing, and the people can sell in any moment the tokens what they got from airdrop, right? So this on Solana, and yes, I think this coin has potential for this round, but we're gonna analyze just the local targets because we got a final daily candle close. And yes, you can ask me what are you trying to analyze when we got only 2 daily candles, but here I recommend you go and check this free educational video. This one, how to work with altcoins after listing initiation accumulation pump model. So you can open a lot of examples with this model and take a look how they're playing out. This strategy got a pretty good win rate, so I will not explain the logic. So take a look. This is a 446 million market cap at this current moment, and yes, I think we'll see the correction sooner or later. So it's only up to you where to accumulate, up to your own risk and a strategy. Here, once again, what I don't like, we got once again for this token totally different listing prices, but we will use 2 charts and mark their zones, more conservative price targets, and we talk about corrections, right? And the targets on SGX. So this is a Binance. A listing price was like 6 cents. Highest point was $5.88. This is HTX on a Bybit, on a KuCoin, also pretty similar. It's $1 was listing price. So take a look, the big difference, like $1 listing price lowest point and the 6 cents. I don't understand how it works, but take a look. The highest point was $5.06. All right. Based on this model, the rules absolutely the same for all exchanges. Here, listing price, daily candle close, this one. So let's mark the zones for accumulation on HTX. So it's a correction to $2.04, $2.36. It's okay zone to buy. And this one is the best zone to buy. But once again, it's not necessary. So all these coins have to drop to this block. No, I highly recommend you go and check this educational video so you will understand the logic. We have to always build a plan, because without a plan, it's just a gambling. You can take a look, a lot of example, how, for example, even the Manta, people are screaming, no. Manta can't drop to OK zone to buy, but we did it. Even the Manta, guys. So here, Manta dumped it from that level around here, like 50% down. So I don't think so you will be happy to see 50% down on a spot. Yes, of course, you can tell me I will start using DCA strategy, but no makes sense to buy after listing, any coin, right? Yes, of course, we can see something like this one and up, only to the moon. Yes, of course, we can. We work with possibilities, but it's a risk management. So if it's okay for you to buy now at $4.75, you can accumulate. My zone of interest on HTX, it's $2.36, $2.04, $1.58, $1.30 is 38. This block. If some coin not dropped this targets, I just skip this one. So we can buy every single coin. This is a Binance. The situation kind of different. Take a look. This is a 0.5 level fix 61, $2.11, $1.63. So most likely, I think we will drop in average to this area. So $2.11, $1.63 will be more than okay for accumulation. We come back, of course, to this video later, so don't need to write in the comments. I share just random numbers. No, guys, we'll come back to this video later. So this is a zone on a Binance. We can't know, are we dropped to this price targets or not? We work with possibilities, but guys, it's going to be pretty hard drop from this block, like 27th zone to OK zone to buy 68%. I don't think so. You want to see the 68% minus on your spot portfolio. But the logic of these entries, where to fix profit. First one, if you bought, for example, at this area here after 100% or 200%, 20 some levels, this one, you can fix a profit, or if it's just swing trades, or you can withdraw initial deposit, leave free coins. Next step is this one, 300% and new all-time high, way higher. Yes, of course, this one has potential, and after correction, maybe we'll talk about the bull run plan for this one. So take a look. If we drop to the best zone to buy, only from 63 cents to 61 level FIP minus 0.61, it will be like 1000%. You can open the chart of Aptos, SUSA, and take a look how this model playing out. You will be impressed. So let's take a look now with my customer graph. What's going on now? Locally, we're going to use the 4-hour time frame, 1-hour time frame, because basically on daily time frame, on the weekly time frame, we don't have enough data yet. So you can use any of these charts up to your own risk. Most likely, I will use a Binance, like a main liquidity provider. Now let's take a look with my customer set on a Binance. So I will not repeat the data from indicators. So here, 4-hour time frame, no data. 1-hour time frame, here. This was accumulation. We downs. Now, yes, of course, we got room for growth for 1-hour time frame. Yes, and we can move way higher to, for example, this one, $6.63, and then go into correction. So that's the case. On direction, no data. 30-minute time frame here. Here was accumulation. It's initiation. We are now in accumulation. This one. This was accumulation zone. Now we're in distribution. Take a look. Yes, we can form the divergency. Move way higher on the chart, lower on ADZ, and drop it down later. On direction, this is not accumulation stage. So this is what I can tell you. Next one is market model. This is AFRIA. So after listing, we always got this like madness. When to buy. So I would like to show you maybe on 5-minute time frame. It's here. This is a local time frame, but the logic absolutely the same on a higher time frame. So take a look. This listing drop. Here's the AFRIA, and we crash it down to a depression zone. So this is capitulation. The same story you need to see on higher time frame. So take a look from depression zone. We bounce like 35%. So the same way will be more likely at this area. We will see something similar on a daily or on an even 12-hour time frame, or at least on 4-hour time frame. So now it's not a right time to buy. Even with the DCA strategy, no makes sense to buy now at 477. It's my personal opinion, right? So, and then use DCA and build some average entry like $3. No. Why? If you can buy, for example, at $2.59, then $2.11, $1.63, build your average like $2.30. It will be much better entry. Take a look on Money Power. Money Power 4-hour time frame, no data. A 1-hour time frame, we almost at the top. Here is a 30-minute time frame. Bearish. MACD, divergency bearish one. Money outflow. So the whales start fix their profit. So just be careful. Take a look on trade on indicator. 30-minute time frame, no data. 1-hour time frame, no data. 15-minute time frame here was sell, drop, capitulation zone, buyback, downs. So of course it's like for intraday, so that's not a big deal. We need to wait the same signals but on a higher time frame. Last one indicator is take profit. How to work with all these indicators? I recommend you also go and watch the free educational video here. Take profit line now on 30-minute time frame, no data. So here, take profit line $5.31. At this level, I'm more than sure we will see the reaction. Next one is exit line $5.98. Next one is minus 0.61 level FIP, $6.70. So yes, we can hit this target, this one. It's not necessary, so we have to drop and collapse to this area exactly in the next week. No, we can trade just in range. That's why it's initiation, accumulation, pump model. So the whales need a time for accumulation. Buy line at this current moment, based on take profit indicator, it's $2.68. For my value of this coin on 15-minute time frame, it's $1.99. But guys, it's just lower time frame. After a few days, we will see the more data on 1 hour time frame, on 30 minutes time frame, on 4 hour time frame. So we'll come back with the updates. So guys, all targets I showed you, my idea I showed you. I highly recommend you go and check this free educational video so you'll understand the logic. If you would like to trade with my custom request what I showed you in this video, just write me DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.